guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, today we are going to be painting some Christmas ornaments, and these are glass ornaments. And so you're going to need some ornaments, either clear or white or kind of these pearlized ones. And I bought mine at Walmart for an 8-pack for around $3. And you're going to need some acrylic paint, and this is the metallic paint. This one here has the glitter in it, and this is a rose gold metallic. Okay, you're going to want to take the end off of your little ornament and set it aside for right now. Okay, and what you're going to want to do is shake up your paint really good, and I haven't diluted this paint at all, but some people like to dilute it with water, but for this ornament we're just going to put it on, and we're just going to pour it over the top and just let it run down the ornament. Okay, I'll get my next color, and this red is the glitter paint, and so I'll add it over the blue. And it's making a neat pattern on this side. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's looking really pretty. And I can see the red glitter. And then this is the rose gold, so we're going to add it also. Okay. And then we're just going to wait and watch and let it dry just like this.
I forgot to mention that you will need some styrofoam, and I purchased these squares at Dollar Tree, and I also purchased the popsicle sticks at Dollar Tree too. Make sure when you insert your popsicle stick in the foam that you leave a little space, like here, how this one's pictured, where you can run your finger under it, so that when your paint runs down and drips, there's still some space between the foam and the ornament. Okay, and the paints that I'm using are Folk Art brand, and I'm using the metallic rose gold, and it's just a metallic finished acrylic paint. The blue is called Blue Sapphire, and it's Folk Art metallic finish acrylic paint. And the red glitter one is the Folk Art Extreme Glitter, and the color's red, glitter finish acrylic paint. They were around $1.70 something at Walmart. And also, I tried using just the regular acrylic colors with the cheaper paint, and it's not as shiny, but it's not exactly dull either, so you wouldn't have to purchase the gloss spray paint unless you just wanted it to be extra shiny, so it's your choice. But on the ones where we used the metallic paint, the rose gold and the blue sapphire, along with the red glitter, they were a lot more shiny and glossy when they dried. But you'll just want to give them time to dry. My daughter and I got out the hair dryer to kind of speed it up, but you could just let them dry overnight. And it just takes a little while for the paint to run down, but it really makes some neat patterns. So you don't need a brush or anything. You're just simply pouring the acrylic paint over the ornaments. And like I said, this is fun to do with your children, and each one turns out different. And so you could choose to do different colors, and some people like to dilute their paints, but ours worked out beautiful, not doing anything to them. We just shook them up and just poured them on and then let them dry. And when you flip them over, the drips that are closest to where the ornament hanger is, it looks so pretty. That's like my favorite part of the ornaments. So they turn out really pretty, and I really like the metallic paints. So, like I said, this is so simple and so fun, and they turn out gorgeous in the end. And if you look at that pink, or it's actually red, but when it dries, when it's wet, it looks more pink, but when it dries, it's more red. But the glitter, the texture, it kind of does what my daughter said, like it looks like a globe, and the earth, the land, kind of looks like the red glitter. So she thought it was really cool, the texture that the red does. So you might want to add some glitter into your combination of paints. But here she is just drying it, and like I said, the red really darkens beautifully. So just be real careful and let them dry, and we use glass, so be careful if you use glass ornaments. But they turned out beautiful, as you can see right here. I just love the way the top looks. And like I said, it's something you can do with your children and just have fun. And like I said, they all turn out different. And you could add a ribbon at the top if you wanted to before you hang it on your tree. But I just went with those 3 colors. And then the end, we had some extra paint left over from another project. So we did the red and the green with some gold. And that also turned out beautiful too. So I think these would make cute little gifts for teachers and coworkers and friends and loved ones. Something special and unique, made with love. And so here's how they look on the tree. And we made several more, so I'm just going to probably play some Christmas music for you if you would like to continue watching the rest of this video. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you have not already, and please like and share. Thank you, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas and Happy Thanksgiving too.